Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now. As we all know, there was Fed's meeting yesterday, and after the Fed's meeting, dollar started going down mainly because of two reasons. First and foremost, inflation. Feds have clearly mentioned that there will be an inflation in the short term, and as we all know, inflation has a direct impact on the market, which means it devalues the currency. Therefore, dollar is going down. And on the other hand, they have also clearly mentioned that COVID-19 or coronavirus will be among us for quite some time because new variants are coming down each and every day. So coronavirus will be a part of our life for quite some time. So these two factors led to the fall in the price of US dollar. This is the US dollar chart, and as we all know, it was in bullish trend. US dollar was extremely bullish, taking support at this trend line. But right now you can see that the structure of the market or the setup of the US dollar has changed, and I'll request you to go to your trading platform and go to the DXY chart so that you can also understand what is going on in the US dollar. You can see that previously it was an uptrend. This trend line was acting as support for the market, and right now we have a trend line which is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. But still we have a support here. Okay, you can also draw this support on your platform. So as long as dollar is falling, we can hope that gold will be going up because these two are correlated. And on the other hand, if dollar starts going up also, then again it will face this trend line as a resistance for the market. So in the coming days, okay, it will be very interesting to see how the US dollar trades or where the US dollar goes. In case it breaks this level, or in case US dollar crosses this level, this support level, then there will be a huge bullishness in the gold USD chart, euro USD and pound USD. Okay, so let's jump to the gold USD chart here. So this is the chart of gold USD, and right now gold is trading at 1815 level. There was a resistance at 1810 level, and right now gold USD chart has crossed this level and trading above it. So first and foremost, let's discuss the important levels in the market, and you can clearly see that I have got three levels here. First and foremost, let's discuss about this level 1750. This is the support, or this is the second support for the market right now, because when market was facing severe selling pressure, this was the level that provided support to the market. So 1750 is still there in the market as a support, but right now current market price is far away from 1750, so this price is not required for today or tomorrow. So, and the most important two price levels in the market right now are 1790, this level, and 1810, this level. You can see that when market crossed this level, this this level became the support. Previously 1790 was acting as a resistance for the market. So whenever market was trying to go up, it was unable to cross the level. But when market crossed this level, the same resistance became the support. And whenever market is coming down, it is getting the required support from the 1790 level. You can clearly see that price is being rejected from 1790 level all the time. Therefore 1790 is a valid support for the market, or most important support for the gold USD chart right now. And we had 1810 as a resistance. Okay, but right now market is trading above the resistance. Okay, so what should be our strategy? So the strategy is, you can see that market is trading here, and if you look at the stochastic RSI also, you can clearly see that the market is in overbought zone. Therefore, my dear friend, I'll request you to wait for some time, because my theory is simple. Do not chase the market, let the price come to you. Because if you buy here also, okay, if you buy here, then your stop loss will be here. And this will be your take profit target, because there is a resistance here. So your risk to reward is not in your favor. You are messing with the trading discipline. If you want to be a consistently profitable trader, you must follow trading discipline and you must have patience. Therefore, you must wait for the market to cool off, because this market is an uptrend right now. Therefore, you must only look for buying opportunities, because dollar is falling. This market is uptrend, means number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. Therefore, you should mainly look for buying opportunities, and you'll only get buying opportunities when market will be cooling off or when market will come down. Right now market is overheated, it is in the overbought zone. Therefore, wait for the market to come down, or keep your eyes on the stochastic RSI. When stochastic RSI will be in oversold zone again, it is an oscillating indicator, it will be coming down to the oversold zone again. So when it will be in the oversold zone, just look at the position of the price. Simple, look at the position of the price. If you find market taking support at this level, 1810 level, then you'll get the clear indication, that yes, the resistance has become the support again, and you can go for a buy. You can clearly, you can go for a buy at 1810 level once the resistance becomes the support. But right now we still do not have the confirmation whether 1810 has become the support or not, and market is an overbought zone. Therefore, wait for the market to come down, wait for the market to cool off, wait for the resistance to become support, then only you should go for buy order. Right now, wait and watch. There was very much volatility in the market, so the market deserves some rest. Its market is just like us. For example, if you run for 500 meters, okay, if you run for 500 meters continuous, we need some time to breathe a little. We need some time to take rest, is not it? Market is also same. If market runs for a while, then it also needs to take a rest. So wait for the market to come down to your territory, to your price level, so that you get the best price. So wait for the market to come down and take support here, then only you can go for buy order. And in case something odd happens or weird happens, I'll be coming down tomorrow again and I'll tell you what you need to do next. Till then, bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again, and keep on watching my videos. Bye bye.